What's up everybody, and welcome again to another episode of Bullet's Garage. Today we have even more carbon fiber to protect. So if you saw the last video, you know the front lip came in for the Lexus Gsf. Today we need to protect it and polish it up like we did with the side skirts to make it shine like a baby's butt. And in order to do that, we are going to use Meguiar's Ultimate Polish with my dual action Meguiar's polisher on my Milwaukee drill and some microfiber towels. Here is the carbon fiber front lip. I'll let you have a look at it real quick. It is not as bad or as hazy as the side skirts were, which is a plus, but I will still go in and do a single pass of polish over the whole thing to make sure it is good to go when I install it on the car. Like right there, there's a little bit of haze. So we're just gonna polish those areas up, make it look pretty, so the GSF looks pretty when it comes out of storage. Hi Frenchie, what do you think about today's project? You think it's gonna be worthwhile? Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright, so basically about 15 minutes of polishing. And I mean, just look at the result right there. Shiny, clean, no haze. Looks freaking fantastic. So guys, it's very important. Always clean up your carbon fiber pieces. Even if you get them brand new from manufacturing, you know, they probably don't do the best job, especially if you're not paying top dollar for like a Tom's kit or a Lexon kit. This eBay kit was pretty inexpensive, but at the cost of basically quality. So you do have to go a little step further, you know, do a little polishing to the piece to make it shine how it should from being brand new, and protect it, and then you will be satisfied. I'm very satisfied with how this came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe below, hit that bell icon to stay up to date with the next video coming up about ceramic coating this piece. Take care, see you on the next one.